Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Invincible versus game crashing or not launching, not opening, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So all the required specs are mentioned over here. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, you just have to click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture, quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues that it plays a vital role. So make sure to lower the graphics settings of the game so that the overload on hardware and issue can be fixed. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under libraries section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here, you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -t3d11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues again, so come back and remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to add it. For that, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows, so make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, then click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working now. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you have to check if enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and then launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Under background process tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time and after the setup successful message occurs, you have to close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game again and check if you can play it. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally, restart your system and test the game. And after that, launch it and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now this size may differ. If your RAM is 8 GB, then you have to type 12288 in the initial size, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on Set and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check. But this will change if you have 16 GB RAM. So once done, click on Set and then check. Next is to disable antivirus programs. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Invincible versus game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from our PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Invincible versus game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are a few suggested solutions to fix Invincible versus game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.